Here in front of you is a web page. We want to make our own web page right now. Okay, how do we do that? We'll put in the code right here. We'll start off with telling the system what type of document, exclamation sign, what kind of document that we have. The type of document we have is HTML. Now, I want to put all my HTML code here, starting here, HTML, and it will end over here, /HTML. Everything between these guys will define the web page. All right, now, if you'll notice over here, this section where it says Doodles - Mozilla Firefox, that's the head. Well, pardon me, that's not the head. That's the title bar. I want to change that title bar. So that goes within a section called the head. So I'm going to make a section called what? The head. And of course, if there's a start head, there's an end head. And here we're going to have the title. The title will be G-Rules Web, G-Rules Site. I like that. And let's move this over, see if we can get some more room. And now I have the start of the title. Here's the end of the title. All right, that's good. That's good enough for now. Let's save this file. Save as. I'll save that here. And I'll give this guy the name gb001.html and all files. And I hit enter. Alright, that's my web page so far. What did I do? I said, look, here's my document type, it's HTML. Here's my HTML code, it starts here and ends here. Here's the head section of my code. In the head section, I want to change the title bar so that it says G-Bulls Site. And here's the end of the title bar stuff, the end of the title bar code. And I think that does it for the moment. Let's see if this works. File, save, move this out of the way. And now I'll bring up that directory where I stored this. And let's go look for that guy. And it's called GB001, I called it. I'm going to take this file, this HTML file, and drag it in and drop it. And what do we have? Oh, look, up here at the title bar, G-Bulls Site. Amazing, it worked. Well, I'm thrilled. The next thing I want to do is I would like to put a little bit more onto here. I'd like to write something in this area. That would be the body. So in the body of the page, I want to write the following. Well, I'll have to have a body section, of course. So open angle braces and body. And of course, if I have the body, I'll have to have the end of the body. Anything in between. Let's make that look nice and line up nice. Anything between will go into the web page. Now, what do I want it to say there? I want it to say boole's videos. Just like that. That looks nice. Let's see if this works. File, save. Let's get this out of the way. And now, let's take our file again and drop them in there. Oh, look what we get. Boole's videos and Boole's site in the title bar. But this looks pretty bad. It's very hard to see. So let's make some more changes to this. Boole's videos. Let's make that bold. So I'll put a tag here. Oh, these are called tags. Put a tag here that says, starting from here, make this bold. And where do I want to stop making it bold? Right here, /B. So I put another tag here to demarcate it. I mark where it starts, and I mark where it ends. So it's bold here, and it stops bolding there. Let's see how this looks now. File, save. Move this out of the way. Bring up my file again, and drag this in. Oh, it's bolder now. Huh, that's fascinating. Let's see, what else could we do to that guy to make it stand out? We could underline him. So let's put in a tag that underlines this guy. And let me make it look nice. And that looked a little nice. Get some more room. And bring this back a tad. And try and get that up here. No, didn't like that. Oh, okay, I got away with it. I just made the font a little bit big so everyone could see it easily. Alright, so starting here I want you to bold everything, and starting here I want you to underline everything. So it's going to bold Boole videos, and then it's going to, here's the end of the underlining. I have to put a slash there. Oh, move this over again. Slash there, and then here's the end of the bolding. And here's the end of the body. Well, let me do a file, save, and move this out of the way. And see this button over here? I'm going to click on that button. Oh, that refreshed it. That reloaded the current page. And this time, look at this. It is now what? Bold and underlined. And that is amazing. And that's pretty much all I wanted to talk with you about today. This is George Boole. Bye-bye now.